Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make system information details shows up in desktop screen wallpaper of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search, just search for one application name as Busy Info, and the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now here you can see download Busy Info. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Let's just open the extracted folder. Now here you will see two files. One is Busy Info and one is Busy Info 64. So if you're using a 64-bit, then you can use this Busy Info 64, and if you're using a 32-bit, then you can use the Busy Info. So right now I'm gonna use the second one. Just double click on it and just click on this time remaining. Now on the right side you can see under the fields you can see the boot time, CPU, different various options that will show up, or you can click on this custom to customize, and you can just select the respective options and you can just click on add in order to edit. And below there is a background. If you click on the background, you can select the different options. You can use the different settings here present inside it, and there is a position. You can change the position where you want to place this system information details on your desktop screen wallpaper. Next is desktops. So here you can update the respective wallpaper. Do not alter this wallpaper, change this wallpaper. So there are tons more options which you can check out by yourself. And there is a preview. If you click on the preview, you can see the preview here right now. Now on the pop-up you will see here font styles also. You can change the different font style depending upon your needs, whichever font styles you want to select here. And you can select the font size also depending upon your needs, and you can change the font style to bold, also italic, underline, and you can select the different colors, alignments here. So once you're done with your settings, just click on this apply. Now you can see here it's being applied. Now if you want to change the position, just click on this position again, and now let us select the right center. Click on OK, click on apply again. Now it will be placed in the right center. And if you want to remove it again, then just right mouse click on the blank area of the desktop screen wallpaper and click on this personalize. Click on this background. Now select any other wallpaper. Now you can see here the system information details is not showing anymore. So by using this method, you can easily make system information details shows up in desktop screen wallpaper of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.